Another problem. X is a normal variate with mean 30 and standard deviation 5. Mean is given, standard deviation is given. You are going to find out only probabilities. Mu is 30, sigma 5, and X is a normal random variable with the mean 30 and the variance 25. So this is sigma square, this is mu. So what I have written, mu value given, sigma given, X is a normal variable with the mean and the variance. Now I want to find out certain values. First two subdivisions, 26, 40, 45. These three numbers first we may work out. The last problem we will do it separately, because modulus of x minus 30 less than or equal to 5 means I am going to explain some more things. So what about x equal to 26 gives z value. X equal to 26 implies corresponding z value, x minus mu by sigma 26 minus 30 divided by 5 minus 4 by 5 minus 0.8. Next, x equal to 40. X equal to 40 value is 40 minus 30 divided by 5. 10 by 5. It is 2. So x equal to 40, z equal to 2, both are same. And 45. X equal to 45 means z equal to x minus mu by sigma 45 minus 30 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. It is equal to 3. These are the corresponding z values. Because we know the answer only if the variable is z. Any normal variable to be brought to standard normal variable. Now we will do. I am going to find out the probability for 26 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 40. First subdivision, probability of 26 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 40. Convert this problem into z in terms of z. 26. 26 means minus 0.8. Then x becomes z. 40. 40 is equivalent to z equal to 2. So minus 0.8 to 2 of z. We need to find out this value. It is already discussed in the previous problem. 0 minus 0.8 I will move to the next page. Minus 0.8 to 2. Zero. This point is minus 0.8. Up to 2. So the 2 will be at this place. Actually, we need this portion. What about the area of this portion? This area is your probability. First, you split the probability into 2. Is equal to probability of minus 0.8 up to 0. Then 0 to z. This portion plus this portion. The first one is minus 0.8 to 0 is same as 0 to 0.8. No change in second term. Use your calculator to find q of 0.8, q of 2. Take your calculator. Already we are in statistical data mode. Shift number 3. Select option 2. Q of 0.8. Q of a 0.8 value. 0.28814. Next, Q of 2 value. Q of 2 already we used it in the previous problem. 0.47725. Adding the two numbers. Any doubt you can ask. Nobody will ask any questions. 76539. If you are find it difficult to ask in English, you can ask in Tamil. No problem. 0.76539. Any doubt? Please ask. First problem, we have obtained the probability. Minus 26 to 40. Then greater than 45. Probability of x is greater than 45. Greater than or equal to, greater than, both are same. Equivalent to, what is the corresponding value for is x equal to 45 in terms of z? Z equal to 3. So z is greater than or equal to 3. Another bell-shaped curve. You roughly draw that curve. Z above 3. Above 3 means here, this is 0.3, this portion. Below means left side, above means right side. So the shaded portion we want. Already we have used the technique in previously. Right side portion 0.5. Subtract this portion. That's all. It is equal to 0.5 minus probability of 0 less or equal to 3. Take your calculator and find Q of 3. Any doubt in calculator may also be asked. Point 49865. If you subtract, your calculator will display answer like this: 1.35 into 10 power minus 0.3. Ten power 03. If it is so, then after decimal you put 2 zeros. 20135. So this is the probability for x is above 45. The last subdivision is something different. Modulus of x minus 30 less than or equal to 5. Modulus of x minus 30 less than or equal to x minus 30 less than or equal to 5. Modulus of third subdivision. probability of modulus of x minus 30 less than or equal to 5. This is we want to find out. I will explain what is modulus. There are some basic results we may need. So modulus of minus 2 value is 2. Modulus of 2 is also 2. If you take modulus, that number becomes positive. What about modulus of x less than or equal to 2? What is the meaning for modulus of x less than or equal to 2? What about x limit? From which number to which number it will assume? So you are going to take modulus means the number is negative, we are going to make it as plus 2. So modulus less than or equal to 2 is equivalent to, this is equivalent to your x lies between negative of this number to positive of that number. Instead of writing minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, we can write modulus of x less than or equal to 2. This is the basic result. This you must know. Then only I can proceed the answer. Now, how to find what about the x limit? From which number to which number? There are some, to memorize some formulas are there. When you are memorizing, you may forget about many things. If the problem numbers are changed, you don't know how to do it. Just apply this technique. Modulus means less than or equal to 2 means negative of the number to positive of that number. So here you assume the same thing. Modulus of x minus 30 less than or equal to 5 implies I remove the modulus symbol. X minus 30 lies between minus 5 to plus 5. Minus 5 less than or equal to x minus 30 less than or equal to 5. Just we apply this formula. Modulus of x less than or equal to 2 means x lies between minus 2 to plus 2. Here minus 5 to plus 5. I want to know x value. I want to remove the minus 30. There are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. In the 3 terms, you add plus 30. All the 3 terms you add 30. Here, minus 5 plus 30. X minus 30 plus 30 is x. With 5, you add 30. So the left hand side is 30 minus 5 is 25 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 35. This is the actual meaning. You can get this answer in many different ways. So the difference between x and 30 is not more than 5. Difference between x and 30 is not more than 5. Now you see that x is lies between 25 to 35. Any number you can take in this range. 25 to 35, 27, 32, 35, everything. Just to find the difference. Either x minus 30 or 30 minus x. The difference means finally you are going to get positive answer. Largest minus smallest. So your answer is 35 to 45, 25 to 35. So instead of giving find the probability of this one, the problem was given indirectly. First you break the modulus symbol. How to remove the modulus? This is the basic idea. Modulus of x less than or equal to 2 means x lies between minus 2 to plus 2. Negative of the number to positive of the number. That's all. Now what about x equal to 25 will give z value, x equal to 35. 25, 35, whether we have previously discussed, 25, 35 not yet discussed. So we have to do once again. So anybody have doubt, please ask. If you want, I can explain once again this stuff. Modulus, how to remove modulus. Modulus less than or equal to 5 means x minus 30 lies between minus 5 and plus 5. Then you add 30. Then you may have, you add 30 with all the three terms, you may have this one. Now what about x equal to 25 will imply z equal to, this is old problem. X equal to 25 means what about z? 25 minus mu value. Mu value is 30, sigma is 5. So z value is minus 1. When x equal to 35, what you are going to get for z? 35 minus 30 divided by 5. So our variable lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Z lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Therefore, I am going to do the original problem. Probability of modulus x minus 30 less than or equal to 15 is equal to, it is equal to this line. Probability of 25 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 35. This is equal to x equal to 25 means minus 1. Minus 1 less than or equal to z less than or equal to plus 1. So our problem, modulus of x minus 30 less than or equal to 15 is brought to in terms of z. Now we need to find out this probability, minus 1 to plus 1 of z value. Once again go to the bell-shaped diagram. The center point is 0. You are in need of minus 1 to plus 1. So left side you select minus 1. Right side you select plus 1. So we need this portion. We need the area or probability of this portion, minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 to plus 1 we can split into 2. That is probability of minus 1 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0. 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1. So this is first one, this is second one. Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 is 0 to 1. Zero to 1, 0 to 1, 2 times. So twice probability of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1. So you are going to find out with the help of calculator q of 1, then you multiply with 2. Any doubt you can ask. If you find any difficulty, please ask. Modulus symbol, how to remove modulus. That is very important. Now take your calculator. I will explain once again how to use calculator. So for finding the probability of a standard normal variable, we need a calculator or the printout. Normal area under normal curve. That table will be available in most of the books. Now take your calculator, press mode 2 times, statistical data, SD option select. Then shift number 3. Shift number 3. Select option Q, that is 2. So your calculator will display Q opening bracket. Your calculator will display Q opening bracket. So 0 to 1 probability means you type 1. You type 1 and close bracket equal to. So your calculator will display 0.34134. So this is this value. Now you multiply with 2 into 0.68268. Modulus, remove. How to remove modulus? Basic concept you must remember. Modulus of x. So the problem is over. Modulus of x less than or equal to 1 means x value minus 1 to plus 1.